Hello friends, welcome back to RT Dashcam. Let's begin the second episode of today's road trip, where we are driving from Polta in Barrackpore towards Dumdum Airport in Kolkata. From Polta Jafarpur, Sridhar Banshidhar Road, we have just merged onto the newly built Kalyani Expressway. When I recorded this video, the road had already been opened from Polta, Barrackpore up to Sodepur. Although some construction work is still ongoing in a few stretches, the route is already open for public transport. This expressway is actually a very convenient alternative to BT Road, which connects Barrackpore to Kolkata but is usually very crowded with heavy traffic. We have now properly merged onto the Kalyani Expressway. Just below this section runs the Barrackpore-Barasat Road, which connects to National Highway 12 at Barasat. The Kalyani Expressway is roughly 40 to 44 kilometers long, with 4 to 6 lanes, multiple flyovers, and underpasses designed to provide a signal-free and faster commute. It serves as an important corridor connecting the northern suburbs of Kolkata, passing through areas like Sodepur, Barrackpore, and Kachrapara, while also helping to reduce traffic pressure on NH12. As of March 2026, the expressway is largely operational and built with a modern, signal-free structure, making travel between Kolkata and its northern suburbs much smoother. This expressway is managed by KMDA, and it has been upgraded to support speeds of up to 100 km per hour. It also connects the Belghoria Expressway to Boro Jaguli near NH12, significantly improving connectivity for commuters traveling to and from Barrackpore and nearby areas. If you want more details, I have also shared the Wikipedia link in the highlighted section of the description. Currently, there is no active speed monitoring system installed on this stretch of road. However, I am maintaining a speed of around 100 km per hour for safety. Some vehicles can be seen driving much faster, sometimes even reach ING 140 km per hour. But personally, I have seen multiple accident cases on this road, so it's always better to drive responsibly. From here, Dumdum Airport is approximately 15 kilometers ahead. You may also notice that we have already crossed multiple flyovers, which makes this route mostly signal-free and the driving experience much smoother. In several stretches, the sides of the road remain open and local pedestrians or residents sometimes cross the lanes, which can make things quite risky. So maintaining a controlled speed is always the safest option. Right now we are passing Parthapur Lake. This used to be one of the most beautiful lakes in this area. Earlier, it was a very peaceful spot where many local people used to come in the early mornings for walks and in the evenings to watch the sunset over the water. Unfortunately, due to a lack of maintenance, the lake has lost much of its earlier beauty today. Now I need to take the left service road to merge with Sodepur Road. But it seems that some construction work is still going on along this service road. So instead of exiting here, I will go a little further ahead using the flyover, and then take a U-turn to come back and access the service lane. Yes, here we go. We'll now take the U-turn from this point and then move onto the service road to merge with Sodepur Road. I'll pause this drive here for now. In the next episode, we will continue our journey from Sodepur Muragacha More driving towards Dumdum Airport through New Barrackpore. The traffic and road conditions ahead become a little more interesting as we move closer to the city. So if you enjoy real-time dashcam drives and exploring Kolkata's roads, make sure to continue with the next episode of this journey. Thank you for watching RT Dashcam. Stay aware, drive safe, and enjoy the journey.